So again, we have a step up into the bathroom. Guessing that towel means they've got some leaks around the potty, or have had some in the past. Sink, no mirror, no light, new window, tub shower. But the shower part is missing. So, I'm gonna guess plumbing issues. Which, the lack of a crawl space to get under this house the way it's built, might pose some challenges. You got a crack in the ceiling, which sometimes can be a mud joint. But I saw a crack in the window, which tells me it's probably more foundation. I don't know why that paint doesn't match. It doesn't. Sorry if I'm jerking you around, making you sick. I'm trying to go slow here.